Hey guys, so in this video I'm just going to be showing you some more algebraic rules and formulas. In this situation here, it's going to be looking at the correlation between tables and formulas and how you can complete formulas or create formulas by using tables and the other way around. Okay, so the first question that you might get is something where it says, look at the table and complete the formula. This right here is our table, okay? And this is our formula. G equals F plus something. I don't know what this is, and I know I need to complete that formula by finding out what that number will be using this table, okay? So in this table right here, F can equal all of these numbers. Okay, so F could equal 3, 6, 8, 13, and 20, all right, in this situation right here. G could also equal 5, 8, 10, 15, or 22, because remember, variables could be any number, all right? We don't know. But the reason it's written in the table like this is because if I cross that part out right there, when F equals 3, G will equal 5, okay? When F equals 6, G will equal 8 in this formula right here. So how I find out this value right here is I start taking these two values, I substitute it into this formula, and then I can work out what that will be. So the first one I'm going to do is just 3 and 5. So start off with my G value. So my G value in the first situation is 5. Okay, so I'll go 5 equals, when my G equals 5, F is going to equal 3. 3 plus something. Okay, so 3 plus what equals 5. Okay, I know that 3 plus 2 will equal 5. So 5 equals 3 plus 2. All right, now I'm going to try that out again with these two numbers right here. So first off with my G value, so when G equals 8, my F value will equal 6 plus something I don't know. All right, now I know that 6 plus 2 will equal 8, so I can write that in 6 plus 2. All right, now what I can do is I've done the first two, and I can see a trend already that it is plus 2 would be my missing value right here. Okay, so I can write that out. I can go, so therefore, G equals F plus 2. Now I've completed my formula with this table. Now I'm going to go through and I'm going to check that because we know that any G value will equal the F value plus 2. So that means that 10 equals 8 plus 2, which is correct. 15 equals 13 plus 2. And 22 equals 20 plus 2. So therefore I've completed my formula. All right, moving on to something a little bit different. Use this table to create your own formula. So create the whole formula for this table right here. So what we do is use something very similar to what we did before, all right? So I know that when A equals 0, M will equal 4. When A equals 1, M will equal 5. When A equals 3, M will equal 7. Okay, so I'm going to write out a formula, okay, of A equals M something, plus something, minus something, times by something, divided by something. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to find what I need to do to M to get my A value. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to try to find a trend. When I can try to find a trend in this table, I'll be able to write out my formula. Okay, so the trend is A, so 0 will equal 4 minus 4. Okay, A equals 1 will equal M 5 minus 4. A equals 3 will equal the 7, so M minus 4. Minus 4 and minus 4. So I can see straight away that all of these A values is the M value minus 4. So A will equal M minus 4. Okay, because either one of these, every single time, if I want to find the A value in, all I need to do is take M and minus 4, right? And I can put that into any one of these. Let's just say I'm going to choose this one here to test this. So if this situation here, A will equal 3, so A will equal 3. When A equals 3, M will equal 7, and then minus 4, 3 equals 7 minus 4 equals 3. 3 equals 3, therefore I know that formula there that I've done is correct. So any A value will equal the M value minus by 4. All right? We're going to go on and do one last one, all right, which will be a little bit harder. Exactly the same thing. Use this table here to create your own formula. So exactly what I've just done. S and T. So when T equals 3, S will equal 0, T equals 5, S will equal 1, etc. Okay, so I'm going to do something to S to find my T value. Okay, so T equals something S, S something minus or divided by something. I don't know. I need to work out the trend to see what I need to do to my S value to get my T value. Okay, so what do I need to do to 0 to get the 3? I need a plus 3. What do I need to do to 1 to get the 5? I need a plus 4. I need to get the 2 to get the 7. I need a plus 5. You know, I can see straight away there's no trend in that. No trend. So I can't write S plus a number or S minus a number because it'll be different for each one, and therefore it's not formula for the whole table. We're going to try something else. I'm going to try timesing S by 2. So 2 times 0 is 0, plus that would be plus 3. All right, 2 times 1 is 2. What do I need to get a 2 to get to 5 is plus 3. 2 times 2 is 4. What do I need to do to 4 to get to 7? Plus 3. 2 times 5 is 10. What do I need to do to 10 to get to 13? Is plus 3. So I've found a trend straight away. All right, what I need to do is times my S value by 2 and then add 3. So that would be written as 2 times S plus 3. And I know from the previous video, I don't need to write this little x here because I can get rid of the multiplication sign because I'm multiplying a number and a variable. So that would be T equals 2S plus 3. All right, because that means every T value will just equal 2 of them plus 3. So let's just choose this as an example. 2 of them is 10 plus 3 equals 13.